Are you want to lose your weight but you're not willing to do exercise, you're not willing to do diet? Don't worry guys, because the summer is here and summer is more likely and more friendly to lose weight. How and why, I will tell you in this video. So hello guys, how are you? I'm Afreen and thanks for tuning this channel. Let's begin this video with why. So I'm gonna tell you why summer is so friendly to lose weight. So first thing is, now in summer you cannot hide your tummy with any hoodie, overcoat, any sweater. So this particular mentality gives you to reduce your tummy fat. It really works guys. Now in summer your brain, your tongue, your mouth, your soul will not gonna say to eat oily food, to eat outside food, to eat unhealthy food. In fact, you don't feel to eat, you only feel to drink. So this is the very powerful thing to reduce weight. So if you don't eat too much and if you only drink, it helps to reduce weight. So this is the way you can reduce weight in summer. In summer season you feel to have juice, drink watermelon, watery fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, orange. This kind of things you want to be eat, or you want to be have, you don't want to be have oily food. So this is the way by which you can reduce your weight, because you don't feel to eat. This is good thing in summer. So that's how you are doing diet, and you not force yourself, but you are anyway doing diet, right? And if you haven't noticed this thing, that in summer you feel like that, then in this summer try this. Notice yourself that you will not feel to eat anything, you just only feel to have drink, to have watermelon and any watery fruit you want to be have. Now in summer there's no excuse to go out for walk and jogging and running, because there's no raining, there's no too much cold. In fact, it's a very good weather to going out for a walk, jogging, running, whatever you want. So this is the another way to lose weight. Now in summer you more likely to have water after every hour, after every half an hour you more likely to have water, which is the great source to reduce weight. In winter you feel lazy, you want to be sit in one place in blanket or comforter, but in summer you don't feel like that, you feel more productive in summer, right? So these all are things about why you can lose weight easily and effectively in summer. Now I will tell you how you can lose weight easily and effectively in summer. So first thing is guys, have you ever noticed that when weather is turning from winter to summer and you feel more productive? More productive means more movement of body, and more movement of body means more calorie burn, and more calorie burn means lose weight. When you don't feel to eat food and only you feel to have drink, that means one hand you are not eating calories, you're not having calories and carbs, and on the other hand you are losing weight, your body is thrashing toxins from your body because you are having lots of drink. So it's like water, juice, lime juice is more likely in summer. Now about exercise. So exercise is something which is depends person to person. I must recommend that if you initially started, that means you should start just only walk. You don't give a pressure on yourself, just enjoy this. What you have to do is initially start your exercise just only with walking. Start doing walk every day. This is just kind of warm up. So initially start your exercise with any warm up and then gradually increase your exercise. So it depends on you, your capacity, your body capacity. Don't force yourself that you should have to be do 60-minute exercise per day or 15-minute exercise per day. Alright, initially I must recommend it, initially start with only walk. And last one is really important, is motivated. Get motivated. Yes. So guys, I know all of us already know how to lose weight. Still we search on internet, but we all know how to lose weight. We all know what to eat, what to not eat, what to drink, what to not drink, water is how much important to lose weight. Everything we all knows about it to weight lose, but still we search on internet. Why? I tell you why. Because when we search on internet and when we watch any video on internet, that means we encourage our body, our mind to be do that thing for losing weight. So it's really good thing, and this is the way any YouTube video works to goal of lose weight. So if you really want to lose weight, watch every day any video about lose weight. Whether you know about it, you don't know about it, it doesn't matter, but it keeps you motivated throughout the day for doing exercise, for doing diet and whatever. So do motivated, get motivated, keep motivated every day by watching video or whatever you like. All right, so guys, this is all what I want to share about on this video on my channel about how can you easily and effectively lose weight in summer. So I hope this all keys helps you out. All I want to make this video, to share these things on my channel, is to get you motivated, because motivation is only key, really helps to get down your calories. So I think I did my job well, and I hope you got a little bit of motivated by watching this video. That's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Do consider subscribing my channel, because I always make videos which helps you guys. So please subscribe my channel, and if this video helps you, then please tell me by clicking the blue button, like button. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.